And guide dog delivery. How not even a pandemic could stop these volunteers from training puppies for a life of service. Plus, V's here.
Oh, thank you. We will also be taking a look. Oh my gosh, those puppies are adorable.
All right, amid the pandemic, the best puppy moment ever. These little pups are heading off into the world to become future guide dogs to serve the visually impaired community. Volunteer trainers were thrilled to pick up the puppies today at the Guide Dog of America's campus in Sylmar. They were passed through the window to keep with social distancing guidelines. The puppy training courses will be done online. But really, imagine trying to concentrate on that with one of these irresistible pups ready to play at all times.
Oh, cute.
You just want to cuddle them.
You do.
And kiss them.
All right, Vera, try to follow that. Go ahead.
I know. I'm dying over here. I want a half hour of nothing but stories like those last.
And it's probably the cutest drive-through pickup we've shown you under the Safer at Home orders. Guide Dogs of America in Sylmar handed over a dozen future service dogs to their volunteer puppy raisers today. Despite the new safety protocols, their work continues. The volunteers will care for the dogs for a little more than a year, teaching them basic obedience, look at that, and house manners before they return to learn how to guide the blind. For now, all of the training classes are being held online.
Could we just see more puppies?
Yeah.
A little while?
All right, what's better than a puppy drive-through? Huh? How does that sound? How about a drive-through of puppies with a purpose? That's even better. Guide Dogs of America is still doing really important work during this pandemic. Look how cute. Yesterday in Sylmar, a litter of 13 future service dogs went home to volunteer puppy raisers, and they were picked up in a drive-through because of physical distancing requirements and all. But during the pandemic, the organization has switched to online puppy training classes to support their volunteers.